GenF20 Plus is the #1 rated HGH releaser available on the market today, targeting those who wish to fight aging and restore youthful appearance and vitality. It's a clear winner in the anti-aging market space where there are imposters abound. GenF20 Plus stands out not only because it's doctor-endorsed but because it's enthusiastically recommended by clients. As you age, your HGH, human growth hormone, levels begin to drop off. And as science has proven, this decrease in HGH directly correlates to how rapidly your body begins to age, affecting everything from your appearance, sagging, wrinkles, to your muscle tone, fat retention, memory, sex drive, energy levels, and more. GenF20 Plus helps your body to safely and naturally restore the HGH levels of your youth, literally reversing aging, all without costly and potentially dangerous injections of synthetic HGH. It's a dietary supplement known as an HGH releaser that contains a special, scientifically formulated combination of amino acids, nutrients, and peptides, all designed to kickstart your pituitary gland into naturally releasing more of your own HGH. Benefits can include a more youthful appearance, increased muscle tone, fat loss, increased metabolism, a supercharged sex drive, boundless energy, and more. For the vast majority of individuals, invasive surgeries and expensive anti-aging injections are simply out of the question. Yet they're still seeking an anti-aging solution. Safe, affordable, and doctor-endorsed as a 100% natural HGH releaser, GenF20 Plus presents an exciting income opportunity for affiliates interested in the anti-aging market space. Click on the link in the video description to start experiencing the anti-aging benefits of increased HGH levels yourself with the help of GenF20 Plus.